Hello students, in this video we will be learning what is a tokamak. Tokamak is a device which is used to confine plasma. Now the question is, what is plasma and why do we want to confine it? So plasma is a fourth state of matter and you can assume that in order to visualize what is plasma, if you assume that there is a gas which is at a very high temperature. So what happens is when a gas is at a high temperature, the electrons, they leave their orbitals and we are only left with the positive nuclei, positively charged nuclei. So when they leave the orbitals, we are left with the ions. So a gas at a very high temperature which has a lot of ions in it is known as a plasma. Now the second question was, why do we want to have this plasma and why do we want to confine it? So we want to confine plasma because we want to be able to carry out nuclear fusion reaction. And nuclear fusion reaction is a very clean source of energy and a lot of energy is generated in this process. We also know about sun. Which is a source of energy from the last millions of years, and nuclear fusion reaction is happening in the sun where the hydrogen atoms are combining to form the helium atoms, right? So during this process, when the hydrogen ions combine to form the helium ions, a lot of energy is released, and that energy is the energy that we receive from the sun. And you must be very amazed to know that we really want to have a sun of our own, means we want to have plasma of our own which is at a very high temperature, the same thing that is there on the sun, and we want to get this energy which we get from the sun on earth, right? So now because this energy is tremendous, so there is no material which can sustain that high temperature, right? So if that heat is contained in a vessel, that vessel will melt itself. So what we want is, in order to confine a gas or plasma which is at a very high temperature, so that we may be able to carry out the nuclear fusion reaction, what we are trying to do now is we want to confine the plasma with the help of magnetic field, and that is what is a tokamak. So in a tokamak there are a large number of solenoids which are placed like this, and the hot plasma is there which keeps on moving in this circular path like this. It keeps on moving like this and it does not touch the ends of the container, right? It does not touch the ends of the container. The magnetic field keeps the charged particles in motion, which we have already learned in our previous video, that magnetic field makes the charged particles move in a circular path. So we designed the tokamak in such a way that all the charged particles, they keep on moving like this. They do not touch the walls of the container. And these particles further, if we are able to carry out a nuclear fusion reaction over here, then this energy that will be released in this process, which is very important for us because we really want to have nuclear fusion reaction to be our source of energy for future. So that energy will not touch the container and we will be able to use it to meet our future energy demands. So this is a tokamak and it is a very useful device. We all are hoping that up till the year 2025 we'll be able to carry out the nuclear fusion reaction on earth, and maybe that day will be a day of celebration when we'll have a very clean source of energy, and then there will be no village, no place where there will be no electricity, and all our energy demands will be fulfilled. Thank you.